Hello everyone. Today's CSAT Made Easy session is not from aptitude, quantitative aptitude. Today we are shifting a gear a little bit. Today's topic is a reasoning topic, coding and decoding. This is a simple topic, the most simplest topic, and its significance is that you just need to keep your brains fresh to answer these questions. If so, you can solve this very easily. And the importance is that in the past 4 years, 5 questions had been asked. So on an average, you can expect at least one question from coding and decoding, right? So we are directly moving into the questions. LSJXVC, LSJXVC is the code for Mumbai, right? This is the code for Mumbai. So what is the relation? LM, right? So L plus 1 M. STU, S plus 2 U. HIJKLM, that means 3. This M. This is the next one. This is the second one. This is the third one, right? X, because U X V W, that is for B. Here it is 5. This is 6. So from the first 2-3 relations itself, you can develop the connection between these codes, right? If so, they are asking how can you code Delhi, right? How can you code Delhi? So here they have to do the reverse thing, right? 1 minus. What is 1 minus here? C. C plus 1 is D, right? Here we are minusing 2, right? This is also C, isn't it? Here we are minusing 3, right? Minusing 3 means HIJKL, third one. So I is this one. And from this itself we can opt the C. No, one more is there, right? So H minus 4. H minus 4 is D, right? D, E, F, G, H. Fourth one is H. So this minus 5 is D. These questions CCID, option A. I think there is no need to have any introduction to the concept of reasoning, this coding and decoding. Just you have to know that these questions will come. Then you will be prepared. You will be alerted to answer these questions, because you do not need to check each and every condition. If 2 or 3 or 4 conditions are there, next will be obviously there, right? And here also you just need to check if your condition necessary numbers are satisfied or not. You don't need to check until the last one, because why to waste that much time to analyze all those things? Just need to analyze what is the relation between this and what is the easiest way to find out the solution, right? Here C is everything is starting from C, right? So you just need to know, if you are looking at the third one, if you are looking at the third one itself, this is the relation, you know, right? If you are looking at the third one itself, you can find out the third one or the fourth one itself, you can find out the answer, right? So in the case of coding and decoding, the thing is that matter is very simple, but sometimes you may get confused. Okay, so if you are getting confused in 2 or 3 steps, you just make sure that you are doing the complete, you are connecting the complete, writing the complete relation. If in the first 2-3 steps you are getting the relation, then you can connect it. If you are able to connect it with your answer, then it's okay, right? So that thing you have to make sure in your mind. With that, you are moving on to the next one. Raman is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So in these questions, there is no need to write R equal to 1, A equal to 2, M equal to 3. That is not necessary. What is the question? Hammam is the question, right? So AM is repeating. So what is the code for AM? AM is 23, right? AM is 23, 2, 3 from Raman. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this AM is 23. We need hammam. Right. So 23 is already there. Isn't it? There is only one option. Option B. So this is the thing. This is the advantage. This is the freedom that this coding and decoding questions give to you. According to your intelligence, your sharpness of thinking, you can solve these questions very easily. Okay. So we are moving on to the next one. In a certain code, 256 means 256 means red color chalk. Okay. We will write as 256589. So while seeing this thing is common, right? What is common? 5 is common. So what is the common thing in this first code and second code? Red color chalk, green color flower. So color is the common word, right? So 5 indicates color, right? Next one, 589. 589, 254, isn't it? So already we made the relation. So there is no use of that. Then 256, 254. This 2 is common, 5 is common. 5 is already meant for color. So what is meant for 2? So for this first code is red color chalk. Third code is white color chalk. So color is already there in common. So chalk is there, right? So 2 indicates chalk, right? So the digit that indicating the code of white is that 4. 4 is the one which is indicating code for white, right? So option B is the answer. Very simple, right? You can also able to solve this very easily. A military code writes system. System is written as system, right? So these three are reversing. These three are reversing or not, we don't know, right? For that they are given one more, nearer, right? So this is written as NEARER. This is also the same. This is also the same. That means here this is reversing, here this is reversing. So actually from the midpoint, first half will be reversing, then the second half will be reversing, right? So using the same code, fraction can be very easily written. This is the midpoint, right? So we are reversing from here, FRAC, here TION. So option D, CARFNOIT is the answer, isn't it? Very easy, right? But the thing is that here you may get some confusion whether it is reversing or not. Here also you will get some confusion. So that is how they are making those codes. So don't get trapped in that, what to say, trick which UPSC is made for you, trap which UPSC is made for you. Just analyze both things. Don't jump into a conclusion from the first one itself. Just analyze and make sure that this itself is the thing, and this code is second condition is also relevant. Okay. So we are moving on to the next one. Actually this can be classified as a number system problem, but as it is in the first vision we will feel that it is coding and decoding. ABC into ED equal to ABC. They are considering that A, B, C, D and E are different digits. So what they are asking, ABC, for example, if ABC is 1, 2, 3 into some value, DED is some value, assume DED is some value, DEED is some value, which you will get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3 into X, you will get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you need to find out the value of X. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is represented as DED, right? So D for 1 and E for 0. Option C is the answer. So this is a little bit tricky question. You just need to put some value. They are already telling that they are representing some different digits. So you just put some value and find out how we can solve it. In some questions, as we had already told that some questions we can directly assume some value, so that you will get the result very easily. So with this we are winding up the session for this coding and decoding. Why? Because only 5 questions had been asked. So you will feel that it's not that much relevant, but the thing is that 5 questions had been asked from the previous 4 question papers. So you can't just skip that questions. This is the most easiest questions you can answer, from which you can get at least 2.5 marks in every question. In 2018, in the last paper there were 2 questions, 5 marks can be achieved very easily, right? So I hope you are very clear with the concept. Thank you.